We are here in the second weekend of World Cup races at the Birds of Prey here in Beaver Creek. So I'm over here at another point of entry for Birds of Prey, which is also very exciting. I'm on the Beaver Creek Expressway. So this morning I woke up with some very exciting news from Beaver Creek that they opened up more terrain and more lifts, including the Weston Gondola, the Lower Beaver Creek Express, and the Upper Beaver Creek Express, which all get you up to these races from Avon Station. You can actually access that all through public transit. And for me as a local who rides public transit, it's a very exciting time of year whenever the Weston Gondola opens. However, this morning did not go as smoothly as planned. I walked up to that Weston Gondola full of excitement, only to find out it was having some electrical issues, and I needed to get up to these races. So, quickly diverted back onto the Avon skier shuttle, and got back up here. I took the Strawberry Park Express lift, just so I could show you guys how to get here once you've taken those other lifts to get to the top. There's still some fresh corduroy on the ground at 10:30 a.m. You know that you've found a pretty untouched spot. So definitely come check this out. This isn't the only new terrain offering that they have at Beaver Creek. They also opened Rose Bowl Express. So we now have bowl skiing out here. However, we got a helicopter. You can see the stadium behind me. I will say I always include a forecast with all of these reports, and as far as snow is concerned, there is none in the forecast. We have nothing for about the next 10 days. So our beloved meteorologist at OpenSnow.com, Joel Gratz, who is really our go-to here in Colorado, he did give us hope. He said the 24th through the 31st of December, there is some potential. So for those of you who have holiday plans to come out, don't be discouraged. It should actually be pretty incredible. And look, it's already. Having fun is the name of the game, my friends, and there's plenty of fun to be had here all throughout the rest of 2020-24. So I'm gonna let you off here. This is Sean Naylor with the Vail Daily. Thank you for watching On the Hill. We'll see you out here for World Cup weekend, and we'll see you here throughout the holidays.